Well, time now for another check of the forecast. And Demenis, you've got a busy week because it's spring break, so a lot of kids are outside, and you've got some storms in the forecast.
Yeah, we're going to be busy this week. We just want to alert you because we do have that chance of showers and storms that could potentially be strong and severe later in the week. Outside over Dallas, you'll see mostly cloudy skies. Your first alert weather headlines showing us that we're going to have some warm, breezy conditions today, and we will eventually see some sunshine. Breezy tomorrow. Heads up for the weather alert going into Thursday into Friday. A lot of this will likely happen Thursday evening, Thursday night, and then we look ahead to more showers for part of your weekend. As we look at the temperatures for the rest of today, you'll notice them. They're going to be going up into the 70s, about 73 at 3 o'clock, partly cloudy skies, and towards 6 o'clock we'll have temperatures at 76 degrees. It's going to be one of those warm days out there, courtesy of these gusty winds coming in from the south, gusting to about 30 miles an hour. It's going to be warmer tomorrow, upper 70s to near 80 at times. And then we go into your Thursday, ahead of the cold front, we're going to be in the 70s again. But this front will bring us some changes, okay? High pressure will move farther to the east, allowing for this front to push through. That means we're going to have showers and thunderstorms that we'll likely have to dodge Thursday into Friday. A lot of this happening on Thursday. That's why we have the weather alerts in place to give you that heads up. But we could have some of these showers or storms sticking around overnight into Friday, and that's why we have both days to give you a heads up right now. This is Thursday's forecast. There's a level 2 out of 5, okay? So that's a slight risk. It does include the Metroplex here, so we need to be careful about that. Let's plan accordingly, all right? We look at First Alert Futurecast. You'll see as we go into Thursday morning at 9, rain starts moving in ahead of the front. The front starts pushing through later that evening and that night, giving way to some showers and some thunderstorms overnight into Friday. That's about 2 o'clock in the morning. We'll need to watch out for that. And then through the day on Friday, there will be some showers still sticking around as that front sags farther to the south. And then look at Saturday. We have showers in the forecast, and that's not great news. How much rain are we talking about? For now, the forecast models are saying anywhere from 1 to 2 inches. And we get 2 inches of rain, that could cause some localized flooding in a few spots. Let's talk about Saturday. I know, the St. Patrick's Day Parade in Lower Greenville and Dallas. You want to make sure you have your rain gear because we've got rain in the forecast as we go through much of the afternoon. Your First Alert 7-day forecast shows that once we go into Saturday night, things will start to clear up, but the clouds will linger around a bit. Temperatures on Sunday for St. Patrick's Day itself in the 60s and mostly sunny skies on March 18th. That's on Monday.